Montiasi. And no, I made me offer a school. Who do on the man a school, no? You know, and some never even prospectors so can one school, no, or more school, you know, and Tomano. Woody can track crans and yama, yet toto, and no baby to. Who will say, or check, I'll be pumping in answer, or more mutilla, a dwarf pump cockrana, or more mutilla, you'll be assigned to a specific tailor, or by pimping in our mother. How for your bro, your bread, yeah, by force. I'm telling you, your bread. Yeah, bread. Oh, yeah, bread too much. The kind of system, and a teacher for you can't blame them that much. Almost as I say, a catty ways and means every moment, you know. Almost ways and means be on the movement, be on the movement.
I take this as your good morning to me.
No, please stop that now. Who didn't come on? You didn't come on to us. Oh, I take this. Good morning, different from this.
No, but there are formalities.
There are formalities. I have started talking with you. Good morning is different from the conversation I'm having with you. And it's no kasa and ankomo. Esnontia and esno kasa and esno komo. You have to understand these things. Me buy what din koma. Me tuan komodian so was the way I take it as a good morning. There's a clear difference between machi, yemu, yenua, majoso, and there's a clear difference between me tuan komoso and yan koma udi na me betwaso. Sometimes let's get the things straight.
Okay. Amayo Kwabena Asante Ghana crossing on the brain.
Who do for second school? Who watch when you break? I could do school mono. I feel tete ankwa. Dada damasio. Dada damasi. Dada damasio. Dada damasi. Dada damasi. Dada damasi. Where the Ghana Damasi? Ghana Damasio, Ghana Damasi. Ghana Damasio, Ghana Damasi. Ghana Damasio, Ghana Damasi. I'm see a quality aketa shede pro. The bia de nisi amanyo sem for so. Ghana Damasi.
Omanhene Kwabena Asante. Omanhene Kwabena Asante. Omanhene Kwabena Asante. What can I say? What do I want?
Oh, see you.
Oh,
Ghana Damasio, Ghana Damasi. We say we dey dey court to car. But you bra me just school be me him one pass no man. But it will be the Dada Damasio, Dada Damasi. Dada Damasio na say, "Hey,
Dada here then."
E krowe pa. O ya me hu ye bo but
asema na wo kana.
Mr. We any brisem pa.
Yeah.
Okusukusa hold on. Any brisem.
Yeah.
You see the mindset that we have. And it's absolutely almost everything apart from one or two being here free. But Charlie, who do it's a different story altogether. One prepare you financially. In fact, when you be guase, honestly, when you be guase. So what I say, Anna, just say, and your money be a air cost, no. The best ministry, a teacher for no say, because we don't want to, especially when I had to engage people. You know, because you say, we know, because it's a camera so baby. Who be a record Munafi or the Nsem beto abontina aidija. I don't want to go that way. We had a conversation. I think in a way, I'm convinced. Just that communication to our Ofono. So I say, Uncle Ye, what was happening was like a movie for them.
Yeah.
So I say, any insults or media go teacher for so Mr. Mo teacher for no, Mamum could did your matem. Don't vent your frustrations
because and one more pen and one more
so what I say, Mr. Bebre, better Mr. Say, Mama, Yamwana, Yesin Tony and Mirayano. Yan Shishemu Dinian Shemu Canadian Intimate Fan Conkai. So what I say, not intimate building Ghana, not individual, not political parties. When we start building Ghana as one unit force, now I'm building political parties or individuals. Almost a bit more mining put to let me a conkai. Mr. Awufo nyina moko schools awodo nyina moko campus awodo nyina
wodu abutre
some of the in this kind of video it will come as a big surprise to you. Munya abutre man na munya abutre ma teacher for the only one bia no o ma tete aswe or all the regional capitals no just go there, address your issue, and then I'll suggest to some of the teachers who say don't abuse the system. don't take advantage of the system. Just let the system work.
Yeah.
Don't abuse the system. Yeah, can you say no one teacher ni bi akoye nyoma bi bongonan bi na afia no so akofa problem de abre obi misrew bribia da obronsam nam sa se opese ode how ni uni beba betu obi so teacher ni bia sa de ni nam so rade man emparo
teacher phone schools ni bi so make demands near my sabofra no de eba
exactly
and to do hona say sa ne man went me amfa mba eno enya dia ombejo and then enra na me yes survey bi Choboxa can it last year near ton 80 Ghana
95
and then
echo 120
130 Ghana
130 it depends on baby out if I no pay kwa there echo 150 you see we continue to also be our own enemies
Kalabule ni Dwaso
anja make say
Kalabule no Dwaso
our level of Kalabule ni faso ayepe no that is why Ghana ni ala tani shop bo hono mo to the same product over kona ala tani shop no kosa o say wakoji edru onkoji edru bia he believes he say or test no turn in term and if you make a fado do aba.
Yeah.
But Ghana ni akofa watch we aba. Watch near 10 CDs.
Watch no so e come up.
Oh. Cartier, the latest one Dwaso.
Cartier.
Yeah, and you know, open so one make me the
but Aisha mo in Bremen. Me fan to me there no ho say.
Na to there no. Ucho meti say. Yeah, me pesa chinye no maza. So ucho meti say.
Wow.
Cartier ucho meti latest no. On to watch into him different. Man fan more say please, who name the echo? Yanko jina circle into 22 series any. Oh watch a boy 22 series any bin akoto.
No, Kwabena. Watch a boy.
Please watch bono. Oh, we just watch. I watch for almost 22 to 33. Na dey bia da. I dey say kojo fojo. Watch be a body be a new 8 series da. Kojo fojo. Dey bia watch 8 series any. Please. Almost the same fake one. You know, we walk away now, honey pageant. We knew even 120 cities.
Only me watching the ball.
Sometimes when money pahu train wa abrabum call too much. Fake not Dwaso. And a pin. As we could phone, Papa no be to 3x4 phone. Omo ringtone ba because omo kontakwa.
Kwabena, I can't have you disrespect me on my own show.
Oh, sorry. Oh, because you see any come we want that.
Please.
Me dem say wo. Me here from so me ditum. Me here from so me ditum.
I apologize.
I apologize unreservedly for kasa maka manu akopa ewo udumedi a udi DwasoNsem ahantan de yafa mome awomaso ni mabrabom
I'm a big was say CJ yesterday when you were not here Kwabena Asante didn't argue with us Kwabena ade my own day Kwabena when list immigration list be over 500 people now.
Omanhene.
If he presidency no. Honorable Fremont pare ne sasha ase.
Oso omunya dey.
Say yemfa wom.
Oh, me jiri tenya ne kwe. Oh.
Really? Have you seen the list?
Oh, na asempa wo was that list.
Me kan mu nchrew.
Asempa wana.
Yeah.
Ah, mo me me hu.
Yeah.
508
over. Yeah, protocol.
Meanwhile, clearance I had buy immigration now was almost funny per 2,000. So out of the 2,000, the protocol is 508. And more apply, you know. More a nipa be 5,800 and something they apply. No more pe nipa 2,000. Now listen, no. Me say me nra me share listen minimum nipa 10. I called 2 of them. And I'm saying enti asempa chale but now so there na benam say masa you see mokroyana mobekande listen any mami push him out.
Okay, push him na only
the letter is dated 22nd February 2022.
Okay, what mami ni kan you be me say bi ansa na
okay. All right, sure
the di kan no one oman no yenye careful about yenoma bia yeye because yenoma bia yeye yenye careful about how easily yema certain informations about abontin the kind. 2 say for time immemorial, we have accepted this protocol issue to be a norm in this country. So what I say, we I see protocol.
Backdoor.
Ampa protocol no betimi awo. Nemum the abuse of that protocol. Because sebi. And sat here in 19 koye peda.
Of course, and
it is a me by virtue of majuma me na GIG4 fenipa. Na se me de me yemba ana me yonku bi me amere recommendation. Omutimi jimi di chain sebi obia omunim no. Ti san hye no 3. Your security agencies need this here any protocol. Ebe you know, loyalty will be difficult to the state. Loyalty to the state will be difficult.
To go to party.
Party and individuals. That is where the problem will come out from.
Yeah.
And finally, maybe Adameka, you didn't come out hanging. Until we don't solve problems and challenges in this country, rather no, a knee-jerk approach. You solve this issue of protocol in terms of because my better now culture say majority of our human any public announcement. You see a funny part 3,000. Over corner a funny part 3,000. There's one any public space via yes announcement. It is not with this administration, but this administration, they are abusing certain privileges that they need to have. Mesre, and sometimes, the chief of staff's office is also becoming unbecoming. A bit of circumspection will do about that officer, because the information about out, information are MORM. And that's only when free uncle, yeah, I dare we are to Hansi, I dare we are see, I dare we saw some. But Namianum Ukraine, the chief of staff's office coordinate all these agencies.
Yeah.
And yet out of place.
Yeah.
But it is becoming an abuse.
Yeah.
And yet out of place. It is becoming an abuse. See, if a nipa 2,000. Now, sure, back on nipa 500.
Over
521.
Over 500.
It's becoming an abuse.
521.
Yeah.
And he said, just imagine, say, the next administration, say, Omo Dwaso and say NDC bar. The same process now, and a better society. And me catch him and say, Mama, I'm building on mine, not Ankrankra. Now, me go Pio Kolibu Hospital, Mrs. Tayano. No, Mr. Bed in your. Me 2 car gidi am kodu Kolibu Hospital no. Me nose mask no. Omo see a friend of mine in the Kwabena Asante. Less than 12 minutes. Mrs.
Now when you're bed.
Why should it be so?
Yeah.
I'm not happy.
That's the system.
I'm not happy.
That's the country we live in.
Onipa saying no nyame be your maduma. Omenya the status or the attention of the name Omanhene Kwabena Asante. I'm not happy. Eti mama yenti ase say. Adie na ye no. Yes a young Cassani and Chilima near Koya home Jema. Yebenya a home for so. If we say, Yan sa that chibi dan Kwamamino. Subwa Yadiba Boyano, Yebenu, Anna the Abayan said Minu Minusuno. Yawa Quenya way, see it me 10 tens round. Never to a papa so an Yakoya home Jima.
Yeah.
Okwa home Jima. A whole nabe who said,
yeah, ne be Ghana. Wow, be Musa
Ghana. It is Slemo.
Yeah.
Chief of Staff's office. Emu because it is turning into an abuse. And yeah, if we say, oh yeah, there, do you family there on people and say kwa. But when it gets to that level, I feel the abuse. Like I said, yeah, about we have family and friends, and they are saying the come about time.
Yeah. You can be out and so still.
Like I said, yeah, about we have family and friends. About the come,
you can be
Medibisia, Nama catch education minister, and so on, no, the placement in the Norman or Moye, and so on.
Education, education, Kwabena, education.
Let me have my fiada. Asante to Safremi. Almost here were Joseph and Benjamin meeting be. On Tiasia, coat of many colors.
What is Joseph and Benjamin meeting?
I'm surprised. Joseph and Benjamin meetings. What the coat of many colors. Unyami Adom si kwesiada. Kotoko has a chika from we are Joseph and Benjamin celebration.
Let's go for the Kotoko di yade.
Asampa medumu mic no. Medum asampa.
Adia me pese me no ama me ye no. Now what it means is that meka de besi okumase.
Kwabena medumu mic no.